Welcome to Chili Recipe and I am Dimpal Shah. Today we are making Schezwan rice and the ingredients needed for making this are as follows. Boiled basmati rice, chopped cabbage, chopped carrot, chopped capsicum, spring onions, chopped French beans, ginger paste, garlic paste, chili paste, Schezwan sauce, boiled and chopped baby corn, pinch orange red food color, vinegar, coriander for garnishing and salt, edible oil. Now let's start with the recipe. Take one pan, add some oil, heat this oil for 2-3 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and mix it properly. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of the cabbage, chopped cabbage, 2 to 3 teaspoons of the French beans, 2 to 3 teaspoons chopped capsicum, 2 to 3 teaspoons of the chopped carrot, 2 teaspoons spring onions, now mix all these things properly. As it is properly cooked, now we will add chopped and boiled baby corn, basmati rice, two teaspoons of the soya sauce, four teaspoons of the Schezwan sauce, salt to taste, and pinch of orange red food color. Now mix all this properly. Lastly add half teaspoon of vinegar, our Schezwan rice is ready to serve. Now let's transfer it in the bowl. Now let us garnish it with some spring onions and coriander leaves. So our Schezwan rice is ready to serve. Thank you.